What's good, everybody? Welcome to the channel. About to get into this one of these drug busts. One of the big drug busts in the U.S. currently. Let's get into it.
Friend's truck? Okay. You gotta get out, stay out of that left lane out there, okay? You got CDL? Okay. You got CDL, sir? Go. I don't want to drop that. You got registration, sir?
Yes, sir.
So you driving for a friend?
Yeah, my friend's the owner.
Owner of ERK?
Yeah, the owner of the
You in here?
No, it's the song.
Team driver? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Hello? You guys are team drivers?
No, it's the new driver license, the permit.
You're not driving yet?
No.
Why are you here then? Why are you in the truck? Okay. Showing him how to do it? Is that what you said?
You already know something suspicious. It's like somebody gave him a hint or something.
He's younger. Okay. Yeah. So you live in Miami?
Yes.
And the company's at Orlando?
Orlando, Florida.
And whose trailer is that?
Huh?
Whose trailer is that?
Yeah, for me.
That's your trailer? Okay. So your friend's truck or your trailer? Okay. You don't have a truck?
Yeah, my truck is broken.
Oh, what
The
happened?
motor is broken.
What happened? Motor?
Yeah.
What kind of motor you got?
Yeah, this is the truck.
Oh. Let me see your bill of lading for the freight.
Yeah.
What's in the trailer today, sir? What's inside the trailer?
It's a freezer. Freezer. Minus 10. It's like milk. It's going to Starbucks.
This one now?
It's going to Starbucks.
Okay.
Yeah, going to
Where'd you guys pick it up from?
Phoenix. Phoenix.
You have your logbook, sir? Huh?
Yeah, I have the logbook.
No logbook? Why not?
Huh?
No? Do you have a logbook? You got a logbook? Why not? You guys don't write the logbook? Do you have one you can fill out right now?
Right now?
You have a logbook you can fill out?
Yeah, I have the no.
Well, let me see. So you stay in Phoenix for 5 days? At the truck stop?
Yeah, the truck stop.
Couldn't get a load?
The weekend, no.
Okay. All right. Let's check all the lights. Thank you. I'm gonna check that fire signature. Inside the truck. You're okay if I search it? Huh? You're okay if I search the truck and the trailer? You're okay with it? Let's go back there and hang out with him for a few minutes. turn around. Right now. Hands behind your back. Don't move. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. No se mueva. Manos arriba. Hey, chill. I don't know what's wrong. You tell me.
You tell me where you putting handcuffs on me.
I'll let you know here in just a minute. I'll get you back.
Can I make a call?
Yep. Manos arriba. Manos arriba.
You need tight these on that?
They're not tight.
Look at this one.
I will adjust them here in a minute.
I'm not gonna do nothing stupid.
Okay. Get out. Manos en la espalda. Manos en la espalda.
Man, listen. The moment he run in that truck, I would have got up out of there.
Siéntese.
No kissing.
Siéntese.
A little bit to the right.
It's not tight. I can put my finger in there. Just the way your hand is. There you go. Good? We'll adjust them when somebody else gets here.
You can't put it on the
You're
front.
twisting your... Huh?
You can't put it on the front.
I
When
would've
somebody
got
else gets
out
here.
of there.
Okay?
The moment he went in that truck,
Can I make a call?
Yeah.
he could have ran.
I got
Dude
somebody
in the
coming.
black
You
shirt
guys
could
can
have
get up
ran.
off the ground here in just a minute. We'll adjust the cups, okay?
I don't know what
So
the
I got
crap
somebody
do.
else coming.
I don't know how fast he is.
I need to read you your rights. You have the right, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him with you during questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer now, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand your rights? I need to just yes or no. Yeah?
Don't
Don't worry about it. I don't have a Spanish one, so we'll get you one later.
Sorry. Can I get my phone number? My phone? So I can make a call? That's it?
Who you gonna call?
Oh my God, that's it.
Okay, I'll call him.
And my baby mama.
Your baby?
Yeah, my baby mama. Is that right?
You say your baby mama?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Maybe we'll do that in a little bit, okay?
Could I smoke a cigarette? Real quick?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the other guy to get here. We're about 3 minutes away.
We're not trying to do nothing stupid.
I hope
You know,
not.
we're calm over here, we're chilling.
All right.
Damn.
If you want to make a phone call, that's it.
Okay. You want to talk to me about anything that's going on today?
Nah, I don't know why you pulled us over.
Okay. Well, I do commercial vehicle inspections. That's why I stopped you guys. Okay. I'm gonna be up front. Looks like there's some drugs in the truck. Okay. So I don't know if you guys want to cooperate with us or not. If you don't want to make any statements, that's fine.
I don't know what's in
So, okay. Are you able to translate if I ask him something?
Yeah.
Okay. Ask him if he wants to cooperate with this investigation. Can you ask him that? What do you say?
Like what? What do you want?
Okay. We'll stop it there for now. Feel like weed in here, don't it?
Oh, yeah.
Basically, these two boxes, it's right there. Now it's covered up like this. So I'll take a couple pictures of that. Still use your camera? Yeah.
It does smell like weed in here.
Kickaroonies.
Yeah, one side right there.
Damn. Why they got it in there? They must got a lot. A whole lot. They got it up there. I would never have it up there. It's trippy.
But we can bring those out. If you want to grab one, I'll grab the other. Where's the other box at? Okay, cool.
Got them brickaronis. Snitching on or something. How they know they had them brickaronis on them like that?
Tied to a rope for it.
Mm.
Is it tied through it? Yeah. So they pull that out somewhere. See right there? They shove that in there. I'll have to look real quick. A lot of times you'll see these in axle, not
That's about 20 bricks.
axle compartments, but sidewall compartments. And I'll show you where they gain access to it. So they just stuff all in there and leave the rope where they can pull back up. Mm-hmm. 3, 4, 5, 6, so 20 kilos.
Totally.
All right.
I knew it. About 20 of them things. They got snitched on. Yeah, I know they had them bricks in there like that. Cops don't be knowing nothing. It's a million semis coming in and out of there.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Appreciate y'all stopping through. Please subscribe, like, comment.